Well, 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 here we are. I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a pneumatic compressor. The fucking chiller is loud, so I'm going to scream. Here's the unit. Boom, motherfucker. Look at that dirty girl. She has been a dirty, dirty girl. All right, this side. See that right there? That's the drain plug. You can take that out, and you can do what I've done over here, which is install a bushing and a nipple, black iron nipple with a cap. Now all I have to do is pop the cap off to drain the oil. After you drain the oil, we got a bucket down there. You can pull out your stick here. You can pour the oil in right there. And the units take about 1.62. This is a dipstick. They take about 1.62 quarts of non-detergent SAE 30 motor oil. Bam, right here. So all you're going to really need is a little pipe wrench or 2 pairs of channel locks. You know, you dump the oil in, turn it back on. This is a Quincy model 210. Quincy model 210. And that's that, my friend.